yung former appropriations chairman na si Saldico ay nasa Europe at merong summons to appear ng Independent Commission on Infrastructure last Tuesday, but expectedly hindi siya umapir. And one of the congressmen asked the DFA to cancel yung kanyang passport. Pero meron tayong Passport Act, yung bagong Passport Act. At sabi ng Passport Act na yan, yung batas na yan, the Department of Foreign Affairs may cancel a Philippine passport only upon the issuance of a court order when the holder is a fugitive from justice or convicted of a criminal offense or where there is proof that the passport was acquired fraudulently or issued erroneously. So yun yung mga ground, hindi pwedeng under investigation pa lang. Hindi natin pinagtatanggol si Saldico, but these are the elements of when a passport can be canceled. Ulitin natin, there should be a court order revoking yung kanyang passport. Pangalawa, when he is a fugitive from justice. To become a fugitive from justice, kailangan again ng kaso doon sa korte. Not in the ombudsman, but in the Sandigan Bayan. Or convicted of a criminal offense. Wala pa siyang conviction. We have a constitutional provision that no person shall, all persons are deemed innocent until proven guilty. And pang-apat, pag may error sa pagka-issue ng passport or merong fraud doon sa pag-issue. Halimbawa, gumamit siya ng fake birth certificate. Yun, pwedeng fraud in the obtaining of the passport. And because of this, hindi basta-basta maka-issue ang DFA canceling or revoking yung kanyang present passport.